Hey guys, I am Kyle, and in today's video, I'm going to show you how to make YouTube in Infinite Craft fastest method. So let's get started. So first off, we would need fire, and after that, we would need water, and then we would need fire again, and then engine right here, and we would have a rocket, and then we would add water again right here, but we're gonna go make a lake right there with the water, and then we're gonna go combine the lake with the satellite, and there we have it. We now have Google, and then after that we're gonna add earth and water right here so that we would make a plant, and then from here we would add wind, and then we would have dandelion, and then we would add another dandelion to dandelion, and then we're gonna add wind, and we now have seeds, and we're gonna add fire into that, and then from here we're gonna go and add earth right here, and we're gonna go make another earth, and so that we would have mountain, and combine everything right here and go for this one, and now we have YouTube.